Today we'll look at how to create a conformal or congruent hex-dominant mesh across multiple bodies. Here we have a couple of bodies in our FEM, and what we've learned previously when we've wanted to create a congruent or conformal mesh across multiple bodies is that we need to create a mesh mating condition, specifically a glue coincident mesh mating condition. Then if we create a solid mesh, whether it's a 3D tetrahedral or a swept mesh, we'll get a congruent mesh across the bodies. But this is not what we need to do for hex-dominant meshing. Let's go ahead and undo the tetrahedral mesh, and we'll undo the mesh mating conditions. Now to create a conformal hex-dominant mesh that's congruent across multiple bodies, all we need to do is turn on Make Meshes Conformal. I also like to use parabolic element transitions. Select our element size and say OK, and this will create a conformal mesh across multiple bodies when hex-dominant meshing.